Have you ever tried to make some cool AI videos only to hit a massive paywall or run out of credits? Yeah, it's the worst. Well, you're going to love this. Today, we're looking at 5 amazing tools that let you create professional-level videos, and the best part, it's all completely free. Let's jump in.
I mean, seriously, who wouldn't want that? The power to just create whatever you can imagine in high-quality video without ever having to pull out your credit card. That's the dream. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it happen.
So you know the drill, right? This slide just nails the problem perfectly. You've got the really good tools, but they're super expensive. And then you have the free tools, but let's be honest, the results are usually pretty glitchy and low quality. It always feels like you have to pick one, cost or quality. But what if that wasn't true?
Well, that's where this little secret comes into play. There's a super simple method, a little hack, that lets you get around all those annoying free trial limits on some of the very best platforms. It gives you, basically, unlimited access to all their pro features.
And look how easy this is. Seriously, you just go to a temp email site, it spits out an email for you, you copy it, sign up for a new free trial, use up all the goodies, and when you hit that limit, you just do it again. Grab a new email and you're back in business. It is a total game changer. Let's see how this works with our first tool. Okay, first on our list is Ronio. And listen, this is not your average free tool. This thing gives you access to the heavy hitters, the really advanced AI models like Kling 2.6, which is famous for its super realistic videos. And with our little temp email trick, you can use its full power without spending a single penny. But wait, it gets better. Ronio has this cool little quirk we can use. When you sign up, you get your own referral code. So what you do is open an incognito window, get another temporary email, and sign up for a second account using the referral code from your first account. This gives both accounts a huge pile of extra credits.
And here's what that actually looks like. You start out with a pretty good 70 credits, but once you do that little referral trick, boom, both of your accounts jump all the way up to 120 credits. That is a ton of extra creating power to play with.
So, what can you do with all those credits? Well, here's a perfect example. Using that high-end Kling 2.6 model in Ronio, this simple prompt was fed in to generate a quick 5-second clip. The goal was simple: make it look real.
And I mean, just look at that quote. The results really do speak for themselves. The video came out flawless, high quality, no weird glitches, and it was exactly what was asked for. This is the professional quality you can get over and over for free. All right, tool number 2 comes from one of the biggest names in tech, Google's Gemini Enterprise. Now, the reason this one is so special, its standout feature is its crazy ability to not just make a video, but to make a video with actual synchronized, natural-sounding dialogue. Just listen to this. That's an actual example. Gemini didn't just create the visuals. It created that line of dialogue to go perfectly with it. The fact that it can generate talking characters, even in different languages like Hindi, just opens up so many more creative doors. It's awesome. And here's the rundown on why this tool is so powerful. You get a whole 30-day free trial, which, you guessed it, we can just keep resetting with our temp mail method. And here's the big one: no watermarks. The videos you download are clean. Plus, it's super flexible. You can type in a prompt or even bring your own image to life. Okay, so we've covered 2 absolute beasts. Now let's round out your free AI video toolkit with 3 more fantastic options, each with its own special superpower. Let's do a quick lightning round.
This chart breaks it down nicely. First, you've got Meta AI. If you want that jaw-dropping, cinematic quality, this is your go-to. But you might have to wait a bit, because their servers can get busy. Next, if you just need something fast, Coin AI is your best friend. It's quick and reliable. And last but not least, for creating on the go, you have YouTube Create, which is an incredibly powerful app right on your phone.
And don't you dare sleep on YouTube Create just because it's a phone app. Check this out. It lets you export your final video in glorious 4K resolution at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second. That is pro-level quality, created and finished entirely on your phone. For free. It's insane.
And there you go, 5 different super powerful AI video tools. But more importantly, you now have the key, that simple, repeatable method to unlock all of them without limits. The biggest barrier to creating amazing video content has just been completely erased. So really, the only question left is the fun one. Now that the tools are free and your access is totally unlimited, what are you going to create? What story are you going to tell? The power is literally in your hands now. Go make something incredible.